In this video I want to quickly show you how to disconnect your Metamask wallet from all your connected sites that you have been using. I'll also show you how to pretty much log out of your Metamask wallet. This works on your mobile, it also works on your desktop, so it works pretty much for both. The reason I'm making this video is that there is now an uprise of phishing attacks of sending people fake links and they click on it and they end up losing money because you connect your wallet to different websites that you don't even know about, or even legitimate websites like OpenSea has been exploited right now. So we don't want to lose our heart and money because of other mistakes that other people are making out there. So to protect yourself, all you need to do is to click on your MetaMask icon to get into your MetaMask wallet, and once you're in here, guys, you want to click these three dots on the right side and you can see it says connected sites. You have to click on connected sites and now you can see a list of all the websites that you have been using and logging in and accessed using the MetaMask wallet. And what you have to do here is just delete the ones that you don't want, and I recommend you pretty much delete all of them. You know, whatever you're not using or whatever. Once you've done using this website, you want to disconnect yourself from it so that you don't get exploited from their mistakes or whatever might happen. And MetaMask does not really give you an option to log out of your wallet, and that's also another problem. Sometimes you might feel safer when you're completely locked out, so I figured out a way around it, and how I do it is that I go to this icon right here, is the extension icon, and you go to manage extension. This works for Chrome and Brave, they pretty much works the same, and you can see now all the extensions that you have on this browser. You just have to turn it off and turn it back on, and suddenly if I go back to my MetaMask wallet, I will have to log in back using my password, which is, I think, a safer way to do this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share it with your friends, this is very important, you don't want anyone to lose money. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, it costs you absolutely nothing. Alright guys, see you on the next video, till then, bye bye.